gentlemen, boys and girls, get ready to go absolutely nutty for science.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are the Nutty Scientist Philippines, the leading entertainer and educational science provider in the Philippines. Whoa! Do you believe that the weather disappeared? SM City Sta Mesa!
So much to our little scientists as well as their mommies and daddies. Thank you for being part of today's show. Our little scientists together with Nutty Scientist Philippines here at SM City Sta Mesa.